Hello legend! In today's video I want to test your vocabulary skills with an entertaining quiz. The topic is items at the beach. Some of these items are easy to learn and understand, and hopefully you already knew how to say most of them. But most are going to be new. So let's dive in and learn together. What is the Spanish word for beach? Perfect! Playa. How do you say sunscreen in Spanish? Protector solar. Which phrase means swimming trunks in Spanish? Bañador. What does to swim translate to in Spanish? Nadar. How do you say seashell in Spanish? Concha. What is the Spanish term for sunglasses? Gafas de sol. Which phrase means sandcastle in Spanish? Castillo de arena. What does to surf translate to in Spanish? Hacer surf. How do you say flip-flops in Spanish? Chanclas. What is the Spanish word for towel? Toalla. Which phrase means umbrella in Spanish? Paraguas, and in this case, parasol. What does seagull translate in Spanish? Gaviota. How do you say wave in Spanish? Hola. What is the Spanish term for sand? Arena. Which phrase means lifeguard in Spanish? Socorrista. How do you say ocean in Spanish? An easy one. Océano. What is the Spanish word for floaties? Flotadores. Which phrase means tide in Spanish? Marea. How do you say coconut in Spanish? Coco. What is the Spanish term for starfish? Estrella de mar. Which phrase means reef in Spanish? Arrecife. What does to snorkel translate to in Spanish? Bucear. What is the Spanish word for seaweed? Algas. Which phrase means beach ball in Spanish? Pelota. What is the Spanish term for seashore? Orilla.